Hey everybody, Evan here. As you can see, the lab's starting to fill up again. We're working on the Nano project again on the CNC mill. We've placed an 18,000 part order here this last week. It's been pretty busy. We're getting all kinds of components in to start working on our circuit boards. First things we got in were our circuit boards themselves from Copperclad Laminates. Bill is a great guy there in New Hampshire. Zipped them right over to me, great prices. You'll find the links here on the video here in a little bit. Check him out, he's great to deal with. I haven't found anybody better yet. So we're going to do a quick test run. The CNC here, this is the second manual cutting process. It still has some things, we still have limit switches and things to do to it, but it's coming along awfully fast. So take a look here and we'll see if we can get this thing cut a little bit. We'll take a quick look at that and see what how it did. As you can see, it cut just fine. The lines are nice and straight and parallel, which is actually not what happened here. A little bit shallower cut, everything was fine, and we're going to be ready to rock and roll. The next challenge is going to be to make a better mount for our spindle than what we have here. As you can see, this all split apart on us, but hey, now all that's got to be is good enough to get the next mount made, and then we'll go from there. So come back here in the next video after Father's Day and we'll go to the next step of the CNC project. Stay tuned.